Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. I know a lot of people think that you have to be like some guy making like $80,000 or have like some amazing credit score to get this card, but I was going to make this quick video letting you know that me, like a 23-year-old college student, if I can get this card, bro, you can get this card. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in it. This is how it came. This is my first time ever getting this card, so this is how they shipped it to me. I ordered it this past Friday. It's now Tuesday, and it came on Monday. So let's look at it. And so it comes in this envelope. It says it's time to explore Chase Sapphire Reserve. Chase Sapphire Reserve. Let's see. We got information about the account. Has the NFC chip. There's actual card itself. So again, 3 points on travel. 150% award if you're using it through the Chase portal to book your flight. $300 travel limit. Well, if you're watching this video, you guys probably already know about all that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and skip over it. But yeah, put that to the side. Terms and conditions. Yeah, card member agreement. Got a cool booklet here. Chase Sapphire Reserve. It's kind of just more of a booklet on how to. Oh, sorry. So yeah, it's just a booklet on all the perks that come with the card. So like your travel, purchase protection. Yeah, all those global entry, TSA pre-check, agreement. So pretty straightforward. That's what it looks like. More personal information. Welcome to Chase Sapphire, your card member agreement. Just tons of paperwork. They didn't. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So lots of agreements, booklet on how to use your card and the perks that come with it. More agreements. And the extra card itself. So we'll go ahead and peel it off. Ooh. And again, it is made out of metal. It's got some nice heft to it. So and that's pretty much it. So I got this card. I am in grad school now. I'm 23 years old, and so if I can get this card, you can get it too. My credit score at the time of this card was 753. And by all means, I'm not like the best at like. I always pay my stuff on time, but I've had a balance on a few cards and stuff. So before this card, I had the Discover It card for college students, and I got the Uber credit card last year, about a year ago today, and I got this card, and I plan on traveling a lot more and things of that nature. So stick around. Thanks for watching. Peace.